The 2nd Army Area Operations Center would try to clarify the situation around the Thai Cambodian on 8 December 2025, 0600 hours as follows. 0300 hours news imagery indicated that Cambodian forces designated target for their supporting fire weapons toward the Thai side, specifically in the areas of Buriram Airport, Buriram Province, and Prasat Hospital, Surin Province. 0500 hours, Cambodian forces fired direct fire weapons toward the position of our deployed troops in the Chong An Ma area. Our forces responded in accordance with the rule of engagement. All personnel are safe. 0600 hours, Cambodian forces continue to employ indirect fire weapons against our side in the Chong An Ma area. Civilian evacuation in the 4 border provinces. Approximately 70% have evacuated from the area. 35,623 people have officially registered at temporary shelters. Those who have not entered shelters are believed to be staying with relatives or are still in the process of relocating. During the evacuation in Nam Yuen district, 1 civilian died while being moved. The 2nd Army area will continue to closely monitor the situation, heighten surveillance, and employ all measures necessary to protect the security of the people and the sovereignty of the nation to the fullest extent. We request the public to follow information from official agencies and reaffirm that the 2nd Army area continue to conduct its border security mission with caution, strength, and unwavering commitment to maintaining peace, order, and national security.